Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a cool text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new project and rename the text to Text Effects. I've already set up the size, as you can see. Then, I click on Create to get started. Now, I'll head to the Tools bar and select the Text tool. I'll type the word Jesus into the canvas. Next, let's upscale the text. I'll adjust it to 1000 pixels and press Enter. As you can see, the text is scaled up nicely. Next, I'll add some effects. I go to the Layers panel, double-click on the text layer, and at the top, I select the text icon. This brings up a window called Warp Text. In this window, I'll select the arc style. I'll set the bend value to 0, which you can enter manually. Then I adjust the vertical distortion to -5. Once done, I click OK to apply the changes. Now, let's bring in a picture to enhance the effect. Go to File, select Place Embedded, and choose your image. Once the image is imported, I click Place and adjust the size to fit the text. With the image selected, I'll go back to the Layers panel, right-click on the image layer, and select Create Clipping Mask. And boom! Just like that, the picture is now perfectly clipped to the text. As you can see, this effect is super easy to create, and it looks amazing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye.